Hello my friends and welcome to Flying Circus Models. 2022 was a tough year, but I managed to complete 5 models. Of course, I wanted to build more, but 5 models is a good result anyway. The first model of the year was Fokker D2 from Special Hobby. Second model, some people say it's a rigging nightmare, Airco de Havilland 2 from Rodin. Third model is a bit relaxing in terms of rigging, Junkers D1 from Wing Not Wings. Fourth model is also not a very complicated in the rigging, Fokker D6 from Rodin. And the last model of 2022 is the Sopwith Camel in US service from Wing Not Wings. And a special edition, my previous year model from Rodin Siemens Schuckert D3 got a golden medal in the Ukrainian IPMS online contest. Let me know in the comments if you know what the postcard on the background means. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press like button and leave your comments below. I read and reply to all of them. Also, if you would like to support my channel, you can do it on Patreon, where you can see my videos early without a commercial, and I share some interesting pictures there. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next builds.